Assalamualaikum students, I am Miss Laba and I am teaching to you social studies, and this is a session of grade 5. Okay, and students, firstly, how are you all? I hope you all must fine. So students, firstly open your book. Okay, we covered this chapter number 1 very well, maps, knowing about maps. Okay, in our previous lecture. Okay, and now we are this session for a written session. Okay, so firstly students, you write the uh, you write the heading of answer the questions. Okay, in your copy. First question is that what does GMT stand for, what does it signify? Okay, so open page number 9. Okay, for open 11 page number, the question is here. Okay, and the answer is on page number 9. Okay, so page number 9. Okay, and the time zone passage, time zone topic. So in time zone topic, the second one paragraph. Okay, GMT stand for Greenwich Mean Time till fourth line, time zone, behind the time zone. The answer one is completed. Okay, GMT stand for till behind this time zone. Okay, the answer is one is completed. Okay, now second one is what is UTC, write in detail. Okay, so UTC, firstly you write the stand. UTC stand for Universal Time Coordinated. Okay, then it is the basis for civil time today till third line. Okay, for the name of UTC. Okay, now in third question is not included in your session. Okay, so now third question is here, what is equator? Okay, third question is here, what is equator, and they started from it is and is on page number 7. It is an imaginary first line till third line hemisphere. Okay, now okay, note down this. Okay, now on page number 11, question number 4, if you want to find the time to the east of Greenwich and to the west, and what do you do? So now open page number 9. Okay, and in time zone topic, the second last line, if you want to find a time to the east, you add this word of Greenwich then, Greenwich then. Okay, you add this. Okay, then add the time if you want to find a time to the west and subtract the time. Okay, so note this. Okay, of all 4 questions you do in your copy. Okay, and okay, then in this book you have to write the date here. Okay, classwork also you have to write classwork. Okay, so firstly exercise A, maps, fact or opinion. Let's do it. Okay, read the following statement about maps and decide whether a statement is fact or opinion. Okay, so you have many sentences here. Okay, and they say that whether is sentence is fact or whether sentence is opinion. Okay, so fact mean that there is something is true or can be tested or proven also. Okay, and it does not change. Okay, no matter what people say. Okay, so fact is authentic. Okay, fact does not change. Okay, fact is true. Okay, then opinion is something that someone thinks or feels. Okay, it may change. Opinion means that it may be changed. Okay, and then map making is interesting. Okay, you find it your home. Okay, you find it that whether it's fact or whether it's opinion. Now second one is a degree symbolized at this degree symbol. Okay, yes, so this is a fact and they cannot change their symbol. Okay, the symbol is remain same. Okay, so in fact the red color you fill the red color in this portion are degree symbolized as degree symbol. Okay, and atlas is a book of map is also your homework. Okay, you find it and I will check and I okay, then a circle is divided into 360 degree. Yes, circle is divided into 360 degree is a fact. Okay, and it doesn't change. Okay, So you fill the red color in this portion. Okay, this is the homework. The symbols used in map are strange. Map look better than globe. Yes, it is a opinion, or it can be thing. Okay, and it may be changed. Means that map. This is your opinion. You give the opinion that map look better than globe. Yes. Okay, but it is not a fact. Okay, it is not a fact. So you fill this color with the blue color. Okay, then both north and south poles are 90 degree from the equator. Okay, it is also a fact that both 90 degree from the south pole and from the north pole. Okay, and this is also this two that is also your homework. Okay, fill in the blanks we do in our previous lecture. Okay, then open page number 12. Okay, in order to locate position of the earth surface, we use a grid system with horizontal, latitude, vertical, longitude. By using the horizontal and vertical coordinate together, and we can get an exact location of the study the longitude and latitude on your globe. Match the cities with the correct latitude and longitude. Okay, so you have here 5 cities. Okay, and you match with the longitude and latitude. Okay, so in first one is Sydney and Australia. Okay, so the a so you have to match with the 34 degrees south to south and comma 151 degree to east. Okay, so you have to match with the a. Okay, so this is also learning thing. Okay, then Greenwich, England, you have to match with the 51 degree north and 0 degree west. Okay, so you know very well that what is n mean north. Okay, what is w mean west, what is e mean east. Okay, what is s means south. Okay, Kolkata, India, and you have to match with 22 degree north and 88 degree to east. Okay, and then no, New York, USA, match with this one 41 degree north to 74 degree west. Okay, so here is also I mentioned that ABCD. Okay, whether it's correct. So Karachi, Pakistan, then 25 degree, this is the longitude or latitude. Okay, both latitude and longitude 25 degree north and comma 62 degrees. Okay, so second question is your homework. Okay, students, so you have to search and you write down the capital here. Okay, and you write down the country. Okay, where the 40 degree north latitude and where the longitude is 116 degree east. Okay, where the 12 degree south. Okay, and what was the capital name. Okay, what was the capital and what was the country. Okay, so find the following locations on your globe. Okay, right in front of correct coordinate with this location can be called our capital or countries of countries. Okay, so now F exercise, match the definition. These are here. Okay, what definition you match with the definition. Okay, equator. So here the last one, it is at 0 degree latitude. Okay, then Tropic of Capricorn here, Tropic of Capricorn here. It is a half of the earth from the equator to the south pole. This is the third last. Okay, then Arctic Circle, you have to match with the first one. Okay, it runs 66.5 degree north of the equator. Then a southern hemisphere, you have to match. Okay, I'm starting again. Equator, you have to match with the it is last one, it is at 0 degree latitude. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, you Tropic of Capricorn, you have to match with the second last, it marks the southern boundary of the tropic 23.5 degrees south. Okay, then Arctic Circle, you have to match first one, it runs 66.5 degree north of the equator. Then southern hemisphere, you have to match with the third last. Okay, it is the half of the earth from the equator of the south pole. Okay, then Antarctic Circle, you have to match with third one. Okay, it runs 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Okay, then Tropic of Cancer, you have to match with the it marks the northern boundary of the tropic 23.5 degree north. Then northern hemisphere, you have to match with the second. You are also done in the morning session. Okay, so it is not confusing. Okay, So northern hemisphere, it is a half of the earth from the equator of the north pole. Okay. Then prime meridian is it as it fifth one. Okay, fifth one, it is at 0 degree longitude. Okay, so you have to copy this exercise in your copy also. And okay, so till then, take care all the students. Okay, Allah Hafiz all of you.